Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to close your Lincoln Corsair hood. First, always make sure that the engine bay is completely clear of any tools, rags, or other items. It's also important to check that the hood latch mechanism itself is free from any debris or obstructions. This ensures a smooth and secure closure every time you put the hood down. Taking these initial steps helps prevent damage. Once the engine bay is clear, gently lower the hood. Bring it down until it's about 8 to 12 inches above the fender. At this point, you should not press down on the hood. Forcing it closed can cause damage to the latch or the hood itself. The goal is to let gravity do most of the work for the final closure. Now, from that lowered position, simply release the hood. Allow its own weight to drop and engage the primary latch. You should hear a distinct and clear click, which indicates that the hood has successfully latched into place. This method helps ensure the latch mechanism functions correctly and prevents unnecessary stress on the components. Finally, always perform a quick check to confirm the hood is fully closed and latched. Gently try to lift the front edge of the hood. If it's properly secured, it should not lift more than a fraction of an inch. This simple verification step ensures your hood is safely closed before you drive, giving you peace of mind.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.